star bit. And I won't be taking your chair now. Okay then. Keona, cute.
You're watching MokenchiTV.
This is Keona. Hey guys, where we going? We going to...
Chick-fil-A.
No, we're not. Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays.
They are. Woo. Come on now, Chick-fil-A.
Well, when you're serving God's chicken throughout the week, you need a Sunday off on the Sabbath day. So, okay. So we're going to go to eat at...
Everywhere good is closed today. So...
We're going to eat at...
Like, he don't even know where we're going.
East Rowan Cafe.
Oh, no, we're not.
East Rowan Cafe, guys.
No,
thank you.
It's closed.
No, it's not, Keeps.
Yes, it
It's
is.
not close. It's
I
not
wish it
close.
was.
It's not close. Alright. When are we starting tomorrow?
We're starting our new eating plan tomorrow. So... I don't want to talk about it because I want somebody to watch the videos first. I'm not spoon feeding him. He's gonna learn.
But I like being spoon fed.
Yeah, that's why you don't stick to it.
I like Mokey dressing me up in a diaper and putting me in a high chair and spoon feeding me. Keona, Daddy likes...
I do spoon feed you.
Daddy-
Both of you two is spoiled.
Daddy likes being in a high chair being spoon fed by Mommy.
It's my high chair. Mine.
It's my high chair.
My high chair.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine. I want it. I want it.
Well, you make an angry face. That's a terrifying angry face. You gotta show your veins a little bit. I see. Oh, that's a scary, terrifying face. I probably won't be taking your chair now. I won't be taking your chair. We're going to breakfast time, Keeps. Hear me?
Here you. Oh, I see some pancakes.
Yeah.
You want some pancakes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Also, you gotta turn around.
Turn what around?
We're not going to the East Rowan Cafe. We're going to breakfast time. The place you like where they have nice, tasty pancakes. Remember?
We're actually early. We're actually early considering it's Sunday. Usually we come out too late and they're already full. So hopefully we're beating church traffic today and making it.
It's always busy at breakfast time. There's no unbusy.
Yeah, well, Sunday morning, afternoons-ish is probably the busiest time.
My feet's been hurting me, so.
Because he won't get the insoles for his shoes. I have to literally make him put them in his shoes and he still won't do it.
I put my shoes this morning.
This morning. I got them for you yesterday. And it's not the first pair that I got for him. The first pair I got for him,
Green light.
He's been complaining for the past week that he wanted to cut them or whatever. So I told him, A, they sell the ones that just go in your heels, and B, he ain't cut them down all this time. So I don't know what he's complaining about. And I told him go to see the doctor. No, I don't want to see the doctor. I just want to sit up and complain.
Now I think my ligament, I think it was a plantar fasciitis or whatever.
See, go to the doctor. Last time, I always have to drag him to the doctor anyways. He's always got
I ain't
something
going to the
on.
doctor until my 90 days is up. So, until then I can't use my sick days.
You don't need to use sick days. You just need to see the doctor. Like today, you're off.
The doctor's closed.
Tomorrow.
Hey Keona.
Okay.
Keona,
Yes.
guess what?
Yes.
Chicken butt.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh my goodness guys, here it comes. The railroad track of
Oh,
Asgard. Ready? Here we go. Here we go.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You're wrong.
Daddy, guess what?
You're wrong.
Daddy,
Huh?
guess what?
Bouncy, bouncy.
So.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Crayon cake pie.
Crayon cake pie, yep, that's what we're talking about, kids.
Oh my God.
Guys, I am getting old. I am 31.
You are not getting old. Stop saying, don't get the trash out of this car. It's all this fog. Don't even go there.
Mommy
You ain't
is.
old.
Mommy
You ain't
is.
even halfway through your
Guys.
life expectancy. Shut that crap up.
Guys,
Shut that trash up.
excuse me. A white person's average life expectancy is 60 years old from
Stop.
eating so much fried chicken.
Shut up.
What?
Fried chicken.
Why you shut up?
I like my fried chicken. All that
It's
grease.
about
Fried
control.
chicken. Fried chicken.
And box foods.
Oh my
Store-bought
God.
box foods like processed mashed potatoes.
No. No, you never, no. That's not you, no.
Chuck wagons and a patty for $3 for 10 Chuck wagons.
That's not even you. More like a foot-long curly cheese dog. That would be you.
Honey,
Every day when he was going to school, oh, Mama was taking me to Sonic to get a foot-long curly cheese dog. Hey,
So-
hold on, kind of stuff.
so guys, she's saying that, but you know, she's talking to me like she's talking about the hot dog and the coney cheese dog. I stopped putting hot dogs in my mouth a long time ago.
No, you still eat them.
Oh, please.
You still deep throat.
Ooh, stop. It's kind of hard to do that with corn cheese dog with the chili going down your throat too. She's driving, she's headed to the road instead of making sarcastic comments like that. I do not DP corny cheese dogs, okay? I just eat them efficiently. Okay? Have you seen competition wiener eaters? Okay then. Keona, keep laughing, Keith. You can laugh now, you can laugh.
Oh man.
Oh. Yes, I ate them efficiently. Okay? One swooping motion, and that's it. Not, you know, not like that.
Oh my goodness.
When you got one after school, got one before school every day,
Before school.
you become a professional and you eat it over and over again.
And then sometimes after school, because then your dad would get you one.
No, Dad wouldn't give me corn cheese dog. He'd give me boiled peanuts. They're really good too. Boiled
Wow.
peanuts are good.
Yeah, practice eating one part and then practice eating the next. Oh my gosh.
You know what? You're not keeping this PG.
You ate nuts.
I didn't eat. I ate peanuts.
You ate nuts.
Guys, you gotta keep her under control. You gotta keep her under control. You gotta type in the comment section below
It's where
saying.
your mind is.
You gotta type in the comments below saying, settle down, Mokey. Settle down.
Oh my gosh. The specific season. By the way, when are you gonna teach me how to shoot?
Whenever you're not in front of your computer.
Hey, I will go out and shoot anytime. All you have to say is, let's go shoot.
Phone has to be beside the computer too.
I'm not hooked to my phone. You are. Not even. I'm not hooked to my phone like that. You are. I ain't got no point to prove. I know what it is.
Yeah. I think you ought to shoot.
teach me.
Yeah.
I've been asking you since years ago.
We'll start you off with the 450 Bushmaster AR.
I don't need no stinking machine gun. I just need a handgun.
Excuse me, no. I'm gonna teach you how to shoot a shotgun. Shotgun is best for home defense when it comes to close quarter combat.
Okay.
Yes.
But I want it less for home because you're home. But I want it more for like going out. I have this paranoia that someone's gonna try something when it's just me and Keona by ourselves. Like I have nightmares and everything, and he won't teach me. He won't teach me no
turkeys.
Turkeys! He won't teach me no self-defense. He won't teach me Muay Thai that he was supposed to teach me since we've been together. Still
look at that. It's still busy. You mean church crowd is in church. No, this is what happened. This is what happening is. Breakfast time is so popular around here, the people are sinning. They ain't going to church and getting breakfast.
Yes, they are.
That makes us sinners too.
They are getting breakfast. People are getting breakfast. People are.
No, I'm not sinning. I went to church this morning. I'm about to go to it too. It's called the House of Protein.
Yes,
you're still standing up, Chris.
They are.
I'm sorry, Chris. I'm sorry. I got the day off and your church, even though I want Korean breakfast at the church after service, but it's an hour and 49 minutes away. I'm sorry, Chris. I'm sorry. Yeah, wait till I get some more Momo to drop it down. Nothing personal.
Okay, now where's all these?
Where'd all the parking spots go, Mokey? I don't see no parking spots.
I know. It was like 3 on that
right here. You're gonna pass this one.
I am. No, I'm not.
Oh, there's one way up there.
I
Go for
see
that one. Don't hit this car, please.
I know, this car's got such a long front on it. I can't stand it. Now I'm gonna hit the sidewalk.
I hate when you scrape the sidewalk.
Yeah, I know. Because it's so stinking. You gotta break your knees and your back to get out of it.
You know what's annoying? Well, I'm a service tech at Walmart, so I change oils and all that stuff. I hate like getting like a Volkswagen Passat, and you gotta take the stupid skid plate off. The back are bolts, or you use a socket to get the back part off the get the back screwed out of the skid plate, but the front is star bits. You gotta use a screwdriver, or use a star bit. And no, you can't open the door when we're at a parking lot, okay? Only do it when we're at the house, because you never know, okay? But yeah, and then the filter is just horribly placed. So, and we change the oil when it's hot too.
Don't do it by yourself, okay?
So sometimes it's really hot. Diesel trucks are the worst. Like a Dodge diesel, yeah, turn the wheel right, then jack up the truck, take the wheel off, reach through the wheel well to get the oil filter, which is the size of a freaking pickle jar, and then you gotta prime it and put the oil in it and put it in without spilling all over the place. Supposedly they're the cleanest. Diesels are cleaner than normal gasoline cars, but they're the worst when it comes to changing oil. They ditched me outside in the car.
Oh, you
Alright, see if your nose can't escape. Come on, come on. Oh, I got your nose.
So here we got me and Keona, pancakes and bacon. I thought there'd be more bacon at least, but anyway, we're sharing that. And Mr. Feast over here, what did you get?
I got the something big K breakfast platter, pancakes, grits, 3 eggs, a sausage, and hash browns.
Yep. That was a lot of food, guys. I shared it with Keona, and that's her second helping, by the way. Couldn't finish it all. My stomach's had enough, and my one slice of bacon that I had to savor. But it's okay, I've had enough. You like it? Yummy. You like it? What are we doing now, Keona?
Yeah, it's a squirrel.
Oh, a squirrel? Oh, I see it.
Yes, running.
It is running. It is running up the tree. So what are we doing now, Keona?
Playing basketball.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now, I will preface this with, we're both tall people and have nothing to do, nothing about basketball. So, we're all learning how to play basketball together.
No,
I Googled 4-year-old basketball drills. Thank you. I am the basketball coach of the family right now. Excuse me, I was distracted. Yes, that's a nice. Take a shot.
Mom can finally dunk, even though she's.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I don't see you doing no slam dunks either.
White boys can do.
Okay. Good job.
yeah, and then we gotta do him up to the.
You ready? Watch Daddy.
Excuse me, we're passing right now.
Shoot once. I'm gonna miss you.
What was that? See, that's what you don't do, Keona. Woo. Keona gets close.
Hold me up.
Bam!
Oh boy, here's the NBA female star. Oh yeah.
Okay, now you're supposed. Okay, this is my 2 rules I know about basketball. You gotta bounce the ball and you aim for the rectangle above the hoop. Keona, don't stand there.
Come here, Keeps. Come on.
Miss altogether.
I didn't see that. I was looking at Keeps.
I hit the square. Now, Keona.
Keona, come here.
Side,
That thing hurts when it hits you.
Yes, exactly. It does.
We're not playing dodgeball. We're playing basketball.
Hey, at least I'm getting the ball to come to me.
That's not the point.
Straight to me. It is. This is like south. Uh-oh.
Here, Keeps.
Okay, let's.
There.
Okay.